In the previous video, we had studied about the weather, winter season, summer season, monsoon season and autumn season. Today, we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 13, climate and vegetation. Today, we will study about the climatic zones. Okay? Our climatic zones is divided into 6 subclimatic zones. First one is highland climate, second one humid subtropical climate, third one tropical wet and dry climate, fourth one arid climate, fifth one semi-arid climate and sixth one is tropical wet climate. Okay. So first we will know about climatic zones in short, then we will study about each of them one by one. Students, now see in the map. See, this is Tropic of Cancer, here equator, and then here Tropic of Capricorn. As you can see, southern part of India, it is between this region. Okay, Tropic of Cancer passes to the southern part of India. So, from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, it is tropical climate, means between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn we have tropical climate. Okay, see in the map of India, this light green portion experiences tropical wet climate. Okay, tropical wet and dry climate, and this one little bit green area this side, and this side is tropical wet climate. Okay, from here passes Tropic of Cancer as I shown you in the map. Okay, the climatic condition of a place are determined by its distance from the equator and the sea. Determine its climatic conditions. Since India is a huge country, huge means very big, with varying topography, tract of land, area, and climate, we feel we have different climatic zones in India. It is divided into 6 climatic zones, as I told you. Okay, first we will know here about highland climate. As you can see, highland climate shown in the map of India with pink color. See, this northern portion and some parts of East India, east side, have highland climate. Okay, the mountain or highland climate is experienced in the region of Himalaya. See, Himalaya is situated on the border of northern India. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh experienced this kind of climate. Which kind of climate? Highland climate. Okay. Areas experiencing this climate receive snowfall. Okay. Frequently they receive snowfall which are situated in highland climate, as I had taught to you in the previous chapter that as altitude increases means as height increases, temperature decreases. Okay, according to this rule, as high we will go, temperature will decrease. So, the highland climatic area always receive snowfall, especially in winter season. Okay, during the months of November and December. In the Greater Himalayas, there is heavy snowfall during the winter season. As you know, Himalaya is divided into three ranges: Greater Himalayas, Himachal and Himadri. In Greater Himalayas, there are heavy snowfall during the winter season. Okay. Now, we will study about the humid subtropical climate. As you can see in the map, the areas which is shown in brown color. Okay, this area experiences humid subtropical climate. Okay, now we will study about humid subtropical climate. Students, till now we have studied about highland climate. Now we will study about humid subtropical climate. Okay. Plains lying near the foothills of Himalayas. Foothills means low hills at the base of mountain. Okay, witness or experiences this kind of climate. Which climate? Humid subtropical climate. Humidity means the amount of water present in air. Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northern part of West Bengal and many northeastern states have this type of climate. Means these are the states which experience humid subtropical climate. Okay. In this climate, summers are scorching. Scorching means harsh. Okay. Summers are scorching. Harsh summers. And winters are dry and cold. Dry winter means it does not rain enough or it does not rain in winter season. That's why winters are dry. There is a lot of variation in the amount of rainfall received in the areas which experience this climate. Some areas receive less than 50 centimeter rainfall. Some areas experience more than 50 centimeter rainfall like this. This is why a variety of vegetation is found there. Okay, students, today we have studied about highland climate and humid subtropical climate. In the next video, we will study about tropical wet and dry climate. Till then, take care all of you. Thank you. Revise the topic.